College time mein, so we used to do that, okay? It's really funny. We were 5 best friends in college, so we would make a table. Every day we wanted to go out and eat, right? Like post-college, like lunch would be out. So we would make a table even when classes are going on. People don't take this seriously, do not do this in classrooms. We also studied, okay? So we would write 5 names and then we would write 4-5 different restaurants. And then we would pass कुछ टिक टिक होता था, फिर वो टिक टिक होता था, फिर टीचर पढ़ा रही है, फिर जिसमें मैक्सिमम टिक्स होते थे उस रेस्टोरेंट पे हम जाते थे. पर पैसे उतने होते थे ना पॉकेट मनी वाले, तो वो सब डच करके 2-3 डिशेस लेके we used to eat. I became an actor in the era when paparazzi was not there. And there were, you know, and I started from the south. So and there, वहाँ पे वैसे भी pap culture नहीं था, and nobody really cares on, you know, I have to look perfect, I have to, you know, dress like this. People are more rooted and very like, there was no need, right? You were just going and doing a 9-to-5 job, like you are doing a 9-to-9 job, maybe being an actor, going on set, coming back, and that's about it. See, like for me, I was single, I was not rushing into a relationship, neither was he in that space, and you know, I was also at that point where I was like, you know, I don't want a casual relationship. So we chatted, we ate dinner, and I said, Dick, if you are in a space of casual, then let's just be friends. Let's not do this. You know, we'd meet 10 times and we're like, oh, I'm not looking at anything serious. Let's not do that. For me, I used to take a Sarojini Nagar ka handbag, which used to be 100, 150, 200 bucks in college. And we used to get different, so that every week you have a different handbag. And Sarojini Nagar में मिलता है आपको, Monday को 100 रुपए में bags मिलते हैं, ऐसा वाला होता था. So now, when I started modeling and when, you know, you make little, like, okay, 10,000 is a huge thing suddenly आता है. फिर आप धीरे-धीरे बना 2-3 महीने में I had a little more money, like, you know, I'd collected some, so I was like, okay, let me go get a bag, you know, a nice bag. So I still remember my first bag was a Guess bag, which was for 10K, and I felt 10K is a lot for a bag. आप 10,000 का बैग ले रहे हो तो आपको लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए, मैंने उसको जान से ज़्यादा संभाल के रखती थी, राइट? कि यार ये बैग नहीं गंदा होना चाहिए. So coming from there, you will always value things. I still have a limit to, you know, there are people who can spend 15-20 lakhs on a bag. I can't.
अंदर से वो
अंदर से नहीं आता है, you know, and which is fine. I feel, you know, these things, it's not, and I'd rather invest that money because I come from the belief that 70% of your earnings you should safeguard and 30% you spend or splurge, and I still can't splurge. I'm not a very lavish splurger. I started speaking Telugu fluently in about 2 years. The first 2-3 films, 4 films is where I had to really cram up, and by the time I finished my 3rd, 4th film, I remember I largely would understand what everyone is saying. And then I started speaking. So after about 2 years, I was fluently speaking.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है where because you come from that rooted system कि ज्यादा दिखावा करने का जरूरत नहीं है, बट आपको आपके आसपास के लोगों ने आपको बोला कि रकुल, you're this star right now, you know, you got to do this, you got to do that, you got to show this. अपने आसपास हवा बनाने के लिए कभी-कभी होता है ना, like, you know, we show a lot more than what we actually are. कभी आपको ऐसा एडवाइस किया गया था?
हाँ, बोला गया है 1-2 बार कुछ लोगों ने. Hi guys, this is Rakul and you're watching me on Subhojit's YouTube channel. I really hope you guys like the podcast, and if you like it, please share it.
Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, मेहनत सब लोग करते हैं, मेहनत के साथ साथ मुशक्कत भी सब लोग करते हैं, and you need to work hard, you need to work smart, you need to be very proactive in your game, and ये सब कुछ का जो मिला जुला एक वो जो खिचड़ी बनता है, वो खिचड़ी I think बहुत मस्त तरीके से, प्यारे तरीके से and with a lot of effort बनाया है इस इंसान ने. इनका नाम है रकुलप्रीत सिंह. You talk about different industries, you talk about staying over here, you talk about fitness, you talk about everything, you talk about a beautiful smile. You can keep adding adjectives one after the other. That's exactly what it is. Rakulpreet Singh, thank you so much for giving me valuable time.
Thank you so much. That was so sweet. Concoction of introduction.
Concoction of introduction.
Very sweet.
You know, first of all, सबसे पहले, you know, gratitude must be given where due. Thank you so much for agreeing to do this, because
Of course.
you know the perseverance that I've been trying to
Yes.
put on my YouTube, and
Yes.
I think your support means the world in that space.
Yes.
मुझे सबसे पहले अगर मैं पूछूं कि there's so many questions in my mind, of course, but say Rakul of 90s, Rakul of say 2000s, and Rakul of 2025 right now, different stages of life, different growth in different parameters. What is that one thing that has remained the same throughout all these phases in your life?
Wow. I think you keep changing as a person. I think every couple of years you're a different person because you absorb so much from the society. But I feel and I hope to believe that my core has remained same. The middle class harkatein in me have not gone. And I feel like in general your core should remain the same. The values that you grow up with, the way you deal with relationships in your life, the way your outlook towards your work is, right? I mean, when I started out, if I was diligent or hardworking, and if today I'm not, then that's something which I don't appreciate. So I feel like your core values of life remain the same, and of course your experience in terms of the person that you are, you're evolving as a human, that keeps changing.
कभी जिंदगी में ऐसा महसूस हुआ है आपको where you're putting your heart, you're putting every bit of effort that you can possibly put from your end, but कुछ ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ उस moment पे where you realize that no, I might be thinking that I am doing my 100%, but I actually need to push a lot more. कभी महसूस हुआ है ऐसा?
ऐसा हमेशा होता है ना, मतलब I feel like you put in your effort, but maybe not that, oh, I need to put 200. What happens is that I know that I'm putting in 100. I don't slack there, and I know it. Even if it means that I'm pushing, sometimes I go against the tide of my body, against the clock. I know it. I do it. That's my personality. But sometimes when things don't materialize for me, instead of thinking that I didn't give 200 because I know I did, I feel that maybe it wasn't meant for me. Everything in life happens for a reason, and if certain things don't work out, then I feel they're just not meant for you.
You mentioned this very cute thing that वो जो middle class हरकतें हैं वो अभी भी, and I think that that's such an important part of your root and value system as well. But now, by God's grace, you've created an empire for yourself.
No empire. Empire create
the empress of that empire.
बहुत time है अभी empire के लिए.
But whatever it is, it's hard earned.
Yeah.
खुद के मेहनत से कमाया है, and of course there's a sense of pride that's associated with it, right? When was the first time जिंदगी में जब आपको महसूस हुआ for good that of course there is miles to go, but then चलो मैं जिंदगी में अभी कुछ ना कुछ बन गई हूँ? कोई specific moment रहा है?
नहीं यार, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत चेज करना है. जिस दिन आप जिंदगी में ये सोच लो ना कि I have arrived or I'm good enough, or like of course I'm good enough is different, but like I'm good and I'm not chasing anything, I feel that you become laid back. So for me, yes, I'm very grateful for what I have every moment, but I feel the buck doesn't stop there. I still have a lot more to do, and I still have, and we are in one direction कि ये फिल्में हैं और मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ और मैं एक्टर हूँ, but there can be so many different dimensions to you. Life is a huge canvas, and you can just throw paint.
Paint it as well.
Yeah, so I feel like there's so much to explore, learn, grow, evolve. That I don't have that thought कि मुझे आ गया है or now I'm. Yes, I'm comfortable, and I'm grateful for that comfort. Yeah. But I'm chasing a lot more.
Of course you will, and I'm sure you will achieve that as well, touch wood.
Thank you.
You have so many well-wishers around. You come from an army background, and whenever we hear the word army, I think the first word that comes in our mind is discipline, right?
Absolutely.
So what discipline is something जो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में स्पेसिफिकली कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में आप रहो वो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली इन एन इंडस्ट्री लाइक दिस आई वुड से वेयर देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक वर्क आवर्स, सो टू से ऐसा कुछ 9 to 5 वाला सिनेरियो नहीं है, राइट? आपकी ज़िंदगी में करियर में तरक्की के लिए कितना आप डिसिप्लिन को क्रेडिट करते हो, द वे यू हैव एक्चुअली बीन बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन लाइफ?
Oh wow, I think 100% मैं डिसिप्लिन को क्रेडिट करती हूँ, because see, not just our industry, any industry, right? It's not that the medical industry is any easier, or anybody who is trying to do a startup has a 9 to 5 job. They're working around the clock. So different fields have different expectations from the individual working there. But I feel discipline is the core जहाँ से आप अपना building block शुरू करते हो. अगर discipline होगा तो फिर आप hard work कर पाओगे.
Yeah.
बिकॉज अगर डिसिप्लिन ही कोर लेवल पे नहीं है तो आप दिन में 2 ही चीज करोगे. इफ यू आर नॉट मैनेजिंग योर टाइम वेल, इफ यू आर नॉट स्लीपिंग राइट, यू नो, ईटिंग राइट, स्पेशली फॉर आवर प्रोफेशन, स्लीपिंग, ईटिंग, बट अदरवाइज राइट, waking up on time, following a schedule. If you don't have that discipline, you'll not be able to do enough hard work, because hard work doesn't mean कि मैं गधा मजदूरी करूँ.
Yeah, correct.
It also
about
has
smart
to be
work.
smart work,
Yeah.
right? So I feel that discipline is most important, and not just because you're working. मेरे लिए discipline इतना important है, and many people may agree, may not agree, but I feel even when I was not working, when I was auditioning, I used to feel that I have to give it out to the universe कि मैं सुबह उठ रही हूँ, मैं प्रेप कर रही हूँ कि मैं ऑडिशंस पे जाऊंगी, फिर मैं 4 जगह धक्के खाऊंगी, फिर मैं वापस आऊंगी, फिर मैं एक स्केड्यूल बनाया था मैंने, so that the universe believes that yes, she is capable of handling a work day. You know, they say ना कि कई लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि हम यार जिस दिन काम होगा जल्दी उठ जाएंगे, बाकी तो हम 12 बजे उठते हैं. आपके पास काम, मेरा ये बिलीफ है, फिर यूनिवर्स इज ऑल्सो नॉट गोइंग टू ब्लेस यू विद सो मच वर्क, बिकॉज आपकी रिदम ही वो नहीं है. So sometimes to attract work, वो बोलते हैं ना manifest.
Right.
Sometimes to attract work, you just make that a part of you. Like you make a schedule like that, and for me that's very important, and hence discipline is very important.
Muji, she's बताओ, you mentioned right now that you know you've been following everything right from the very beginning. You're doing your best in everything, and you know auditions का एक जो दौर था जहाँ पे you were giving, and you had that certain background as well, which unfortunately doesn't really matter because you're as good as your last project in this industry, and also you specifically have that approach. Like, you know, you talked about, I've heard somewhere where you said that, you know, Hollywood may be so and so actors, you know, they are established, they audition, etc. You're very pro at it. Some people have that certain air that yeah, मैं ये बन गया हूँ, वो बन गई हूँ, I'm not going to audition this, that, etc. ये जो psyche है that, you know, no matter how many times I have proven myself, I'm still going to prove myself again if needed. इसका source कहाँ से आता है?
See, it's not about proving myself. It's about there is a team that has a vision, and sometimes, and it's their right to design that vision right, correct? Matlab, if I was directing a film, I would want it to go my way. Similarly, if there's another director who has a certain notion, it's important as an actor to convince the director that I fit your world, right? So it's not that sometimes they'll say, yes, we know you can act, or you know, you're a good actor, but maybe you don't look like the part. Which is where auditions come in. It's not to prove that whether you can act or not. It's also to prove whether it's going to look real on you or not, you know. Force nahi lagna chahiye koi bhi character. So I think the source comes from the fact that I don't take myself too seriously. Source comes from the fact that I take my work very seriously, but what have I achieved? Every time you feel you've achieved too much ना, एक फंडा होता है कि आपसे ज़्यादा कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने बहुत कुछ उखाड़ लिया है, तो आपने लाइफ में कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा है, you know. And what happens is with fame, sometimes you get confused with fame and achievements, because you know you're recognized. Doesn't mean that you've really done a lot. Yes, maybe you have, but there's still a long way to go. So I don't take myself seriously. I'm like, okay, it's professional, right? I need to pitch myself. I'll pitch myself. I love what Priyanka Chopra said. She was a superstar here when she went to LA and went to the West. And she would walk into the doors and rooms and be like, introduce herself. Even today, if you meet her, she'll say, hi, Priyanka. You know, now that's something which I aspire to be.
Yeah. And, you know, I mean, it's never easy to restart. And you know, like literally start from the scratches again and build yourself again and again. है तो बहुत मुश्किल का काम होता है. In this phase of your professional life right now, what do you think would be your priority? Like, you know, a big production house with a script जहाँ पे आपका शायद 100% conviction नहीं है, या फिर a script where you have 110% conviction, but you're not very sure about the production style.
Why can't I get the best of both?
But say अगर, of course, that's the most ideal thing.
Ideal के लिए you try to make ideal, right? I mean, meet the ideal. I feel, you know, ये answer करना बहुत difficult होता है, because films that you gravitate towards is always a permutation combination of something that excites you in the film. It could be an actor that you want to work with. It could be a director you want to work with. Like sometimes you want to work with a director and an actor, and you'll be like, जो भी script है मैं करूँगी. You know, if I get an opportunity to work with Shah Rukh, so I'd be like, yeah, I don't want to know, I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan. You know what I mean? So, and sometimes it's a script that you really believe in, and then you're like, okay, I want to do this role, and I'm very certain that people will give it love. So I feel it's always something that attracts, but your idea is कि आप अच्छी script भी करो, but people have to see it, right? So it is important that the film gets a good enough release, gets those eyes, yeah.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ जिंदगी में where you know the director and the makers they have complete faith on the fact that ये character is tailor made for Rakul and she's going to do her best, but जब आपने चालू किया you were not really 100% about it, and then eventually when it went well you really surprised yourself with your
नहीं, मैं
performance.
इतना नहीं सोचती. मैं इतना नहीं सोचती, मुझे अपने ऊपर पूरा भरोसा है. As overconfident as it may sound, it's not coming from overconfidence, it's coming from again the core of hard work. You know, अगर मुझे मौका मिल रहा है तो मैं उस मौके में self doubt आने नहीं दूँगी. That is very important. Makers को मैंने इतना रगड़ा है इतने साल. You know, if I've worked hard for 11 years now, 11-12 years now.
Right.
So I know that I deserve it. The only thing I am like, you know, give me an opportunity. So when I have that opportunity, I'm not going to let self-doubt creep in at that point of time. At that point, I need to have my blinders on and be like, you know, I have to deliver. So I will put all my might to deliver. So I'm of that, I have that 4G mindset now. What to do now? I have that mindset where I won't get nervous in front of strong actors. I think my performance enhances with strong actors. It's something like that.
It's like all guns blazing at that point of time.
Yeah, you give me a tougher script, I think there will be a sense of excitement even more from within where I'll be like, I have to do this well. I get excited. You'll get bored with the mundane things, you know, after a point.
Yeah. You know, एक और चीज which is very relevant in your personality is that कुछ भी चीज का you don't take too much of pressure, right? Like especially, you know, एक जो होता है कि you know हम बाहर जाते हैं, sometimes you get spotted, etc. You're very much bindas in your own natural self. You know, makeup पे anyway जरूरत ज्यादा है नहीं because एक natural beauty है. But apart from that as well.
शौक नहीं है.
But you know, so that pressure, ये ऑफ लेट आपने विद एक्सपीरियंस लेना बंद करते या फिर पहले से ही नहीं लिया?
मैंने शुरू से, पहले तो paparazzi थी भी नहीं ना. So I'll tell you what happens, that I became an actor in the era when paparazzi was not there. And there were, you know, and I started from the south. So वहाँ पे वैसे भी pap culture नहीं था, and nobody really cares on, you know, I have to look perfect, I have to, you know, dress like this. People are more rooted and very like, there was no need, right? You were just going and doing a 9-to-5 job, like you're doing a 9-to-9 job, maybe being an actor, going on set, coming back, and that's about it.
Right.
So for me, I have never really, because it's like saying that's not an age that I became an actor in, like the digital age. So I'm not used to it. So for me, what is priority is my comfort and my sanity. A lot of time, a lot of people think, I've said this in another interview where my mom will say, यार थोड़ा तो ठीक हो. I said, आप दिल्ली में बैठ के आप मुझे बोल रहे हो थोड़ा तो तैयार होके चले जाते हैं. I do this every day.
She tells you कि वो पुराने jeans फेंक दो.
हाँ. So she's like, she told me, you know, I'm only seeing these 2-3 jeans for the last 1 month, you know, whatever 4-5 times.
ऊपर रहता है कपड़े के lot.
हाँ, because you know, I'm like, they're comfortable, mom. Like, you know, I'm not wearing the same clothes on my events now. When I'm comfortable, I want to wear baggy pants, I want to wear loose t-shirts. And she's like, little bit, you should get ready and go. So I said, you're sitting in Delhi and telling me to get ready. I do this every day. So on my off day, I don't want to do it.
Correct.
It's as simple as that. You know, I don't want to take that pressure. I'm a normal person, and the more you stay in touch with reality, the more saner you will be in a long run. Like I said, my competition or my thought is not कि अरे मैं पैप हो जाऊंगी और फिर लोग मुझे 10,000 अच्छे comments देंगे. वो तो मतलब I'm very confident कि जिनको अच्छा बोलना है वो अच्छा बोलेंगे, जिनको नहीं बोलना है वो नहीं बोलेंगे.
No matter how good you do.
Yeah, and it's not about how you look, you know. So I think that self-belief
kicks in at that moment of time, and it's
always
there. Yeah.
I mean, it's always मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
Absolutely, that is how it should always be. That is how it should always be. You bagged your first film in South at the age of 17, right? If
No,
I'm
no,
not-
no, no, 18.
18, right? मुझे उस चीज के पीछे मोटिवेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा. And you said कि यार 18 years की हूँ, I have my friend circle, I have my friends life. पहला गाड़ी at the age of
हाँ.
18, and you bought. I remember the
Ritz.
sweet story. You got a Ritz, right? What were
Yeah.
your emotions at that point of time?
I was so happy that अरे पहले मैं बस पे कॉलेज जाती थी, you know, I used to take that DTC bus for school
Yeah.
and college जो दिल्ली की होती है. I was like, I'll be the first one in my friends to have my own car and I'll drive to college and you know like the cool thing and I was very proud, yeah. And I think so were my parents that you know, see when you come from a middle class family or you know a serviced background, generally what do people aspire कि एक घर हो, गाड़ी हो, you know, that's when they say अच्छा आप settled हो. So to get a car at the age of 18, 19, it was like, and I didn't know better.
Yeah.
You know, so for me it was a matter of huge excitement that I could drive around wherever I want and I can, you know, have my car. But yeah, so slowly you grow up and you realize
So-
that
so
these
you-
are not
so you-
things that really matter.
So you learned driving after getting
No,
your
no,
car?
I already knew
You already knew.
drive,
So आपने
yeah.
दोस्त वगैरह को राइड वगैरह घुमाया उस टाइम?
Arey, yes. When I got my, I love driving.
Yeah.
It's just that in Bombay you don't
Ah.
drive that much
That's
because
parking
parking का
issue.
issue है and then you know it's just tough.
Hmm.
But when I college में हम लोग बहुत घूमते थे. I was in Jizen Mary और जब हमारा खत्म हुआ वहाँ पे Connaught Place, Chanakyapuri, we used to drive a lot. In fact, after about a couple of years, when I got my first another car, like a luxury car, which was an Audi Q3, I remember, I drove from Delhi to Bombay.
My goodness.
That's how much I loved.
How many
driving.
halts?
No, I took 3 days because my dad was like, you know, just halt and go and stay overnight and no night driving. So 3 days.
क्या बात है. You know, जो culture usually रहता है कि you know when you're in college etc. you go out with friends, you enjoy different food of different places वगैरह. What kind of a foodie were you at that point of time?
Well, I was always a foodie. I still am a foodie. But what has happened is that, you know, luckily, my parents were very healthy. And when I say healthy, it doesn't mean that salads, you know, it was always ghar ka khana. So it was always, you know, we've been having jowar, ragi, bajra since we were growing up. Like I used to have a heavy breakfast and go to school. You know, we were not allowed to, we didn't know another way. We didn't know that you can say, no, I don't want to have breakfast and go. So it was, you know, we used to have a fruits and toast and egg and oats and, you know, things like that. And a big heavy breakfast. So there was always importance of healthy food. So for me, my palate was always that. So I am a foodie. I love exploring restaurants, but my choices in the restaurant will not be fried or sugar. And बाकी भी बहुत कुछ मिलता है. I mean, you know, you go to any restaurant, you can always pick healthier options.
Yeah.
And healthier is not salads.
Yeah. So at that point of time, Delhi के जो favorite, you know, usual street food
Pandara.
वगैरह, then you know momos and all, which is like
Momos,
more
there
work.
used to be Satya Niketan हमारे कॉलेज के सामने, the South Campus का वो पूरा street. So वहाँ पे चौरंगी होता था. So चौरंगी lane for me used to be like, you know, indulgence.
I've tried Mulchand के पराठे and all these
Yeah,
places.
yeah, I've had all of that.
Oh nice, how nice. These are fun memories.
College time में,
हाँ.
so we used to do that, okay? It's really funny. We were 5 best friends in college, so we would make a table. Every day we wanted to go out and eat, right? Like post-college, like lunch would be out. So we would make a table even when classes are going on. People don't take this seriously, do not do this in classrooms. We also studied, okay? So we would write 5 names and then we would write 4-5 different restaurants and then we would pass. कुछ टिक टिक होता था, फिर वो टिक टिक होता था, फिर टीचर पढ़ा रही है, फिर जिसमें मैक्सिमम टिक्स होते थे उस रेस्टोरेंट पे हम जाते थे. बट पैसे उतने होते थे ना पॉकेट मनी वाले, तो वो सब डच करके 2-3 डिशेस लेके we used to eat.
In fact, that also was, I think, mentioned where you said that, you know, this was my pocket money. Suddenly, इतने पैसे आएंगे मेरे पास.
2,000 rupees was my pocket
2,000
money.
was, huh? That was.
That also my dad calculated that you're going to Saturday, Sundays off, so 22 days you're going. So 100 rupees a day. रोज अगर खाना है तुमको तो 2,000 के आसपास काफी है.
Coffee, how nice. Cute, huh? I think cute is the word to describe this because this is so relatable for so many people.
But it's true.
Yeah.
Like I still have to fight sometimes by saying, "Mom, it's just 2,000 rupees." You know, it's true.
So now, by God's grace, you're in a position where you know you can spend or invest a lot more as per what you want, right? But कभी-कभी, you know, before you do that, you have to speak to your parents कि ये
No,
करूँ
no,
या
no,
नहीं
no.
करूँ,
I used
freedom
to
है
have
full?
this. I have full freedom. In fact, it's the other way around. That काफी सालों तक, I think till about the first 5-6 years of my career. See, because you are also tasting new things,
Yeah.
right? It's like for me, I used to take a Sarojini Nagar ka handbag, which used to be
Yeah.
100, 150,
Yeah.
200 bucks in college.
Yeah.
And we used to get different, so that every week you have a different
Different
handbag.
bag.
And Sarojini Nagar में मिलता है आपको, मंडे को 100 रुपए में बैग्स मिलते हैं, ऐसा वाला होता था. So now when I started modeling and when you know you make little like okay 10,000 is a huge thing suddenly आता है.
Yeah.
फिर आप धीरे धीरे बना 2-3 महीने में I had a little more money like you know I'd collected some, so I was like okay let me go get a bag, you know, a nice
Right.
bag. So I still remember my first bag was a Guess bag,
Yeah.
which was for 10K, and I felt 10K is a lot for a bag.
This was in which
Right.
year?
This was when I was 19. This was 2009 or 9 or 10.
उस टाइम पे तो और ज्यादा value.
Yeah, I mean, आप 10,000 का बैग ले रहे हो तो आपको लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए, मैंने उसको जान से ज्यादा संभाल के रखती थी, राइट? कि यार ये बैग नहीं गंदा होना चाहिए. So coming from there, you will always value things. I still have a limit to, you know, there are people who can spend 15-20 lakhs on a bag. I can't.
अंदर से वो
अंदर से नहीं आता है. You know, and which is fine. I feel, you know, these things, it's not, I'd rather invest that money. Because I come from the belief that 70% of your earnings you should safeguard and 30% you spend or splurge. And I still can't splurge. I'm not a very lavish splurger. Like, Jackie sometimes joke, तुम इतनी भी कंजूस नहीं हो सकती बेबी. So वो है मेरे अंदर थोड़ा.
you know this kind of financial knowledge, you know, which अभी आज के ज़माने में we have you know influencers बोले या फिर we see a lot of videos. The time when you started earning, I don't think there was so much of exposure to
father.
financial knowledge. Right?
My father.
Your father.
My father still handles my accounts. I have no idea. You know, I have zero idea of what happens, my taxation, my GST. Every time, like, it's just him. And he invests, thankfully. Like, I'm so grateful to him. I don't think I could have done it. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
With, you know, your regular GSTs going in and advanced taxes and this, that. So, he's always on it. So, that's where I was coming to. That's gotten that bag. And then I would, every time I had to spend money, I would tell my parents, ask my parents, can I? So my dad started saying, please spend. You know, can you please spend? Now I don't ask, of course. I don't need to, and they've drilled it into my head that you please don't have to ask, just do what you want. Now the only thing I have to fight with them on money is I have to spend on them.
अच्छा.
उसमें मतलब मुझे लगता है कि भाई मैं अपना पैसा अपने माँ बाप के ऊपर खर्च रही हूँ, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
It's actually,
it's a yeah, they don't like it. You know, अरे it's too expensive. I'm like, but I want to get you something expensive. What is wrong with you? But that's always a battle. But I think my finances, coming back to that, was always my dad. Even when I was 18-19, he first started investing in a flat. You know, so everything he would just invest, and I think I get that. Knowledge from him.
Yeah. In fact, when you were getting movie offers, you already got a movie, you were still studying, right? And I
Yeah.
think it was your father, uncle, who stressed upon the importance that करना है करो लेकिन पहले education खत्म कर लो.
नहीं, उल्टा था.
उल्टा था.
My dad said, do what you like.
हाँ.
After the first film, when I started getting a lot of offers, he said, if you want to shift to correspondence, I would be happy if this is your dream, right? So I said no, I want to complete my education because see, I'll tell you what, I was always a good student. And when I was a kid,
honors.
yes,
of course, says it all.
And no, ऐसा भी maths मैंने कुछ
डर लगता है मुझे भाई बाप रे.
But I was the child who wanted to come first. I was that child who, not first, but I'd be in that top 5.
You wanted to be competitive.
I was very competitive. I still am very competitive. And so for me, I used to tell them, said, yes, I want to do this. But what if it doesn't work? I can't be a 12th pass. What if I need to fall back on something? So I told my dad, no, I'll complete my graduation and then I'll take 2-3 years off. Because if it doesn't work out for some reason, I can always do my master's. So I'd given my SAT, I'd done all of that, then moved to Bombay. So that if things don't work out, let me. But my parents were ulta. They said, if you want to do it, go. And I was the one who said, nahin, पढ़ाई खत्म करके then I'll go. Because I didn't want to be. I knew one thing, यार. I was very young, and when parents used to ask ना कि क्या बनना है, क्या करना है, so I used to say I don't know what I'm going to be, but I'm not going to struggle. So I was very definitively in my head sure that I need to have a backup and I need to, because of course I can't be delusional. Na? There are 10,000 people who come every day to become an actor. मैं ऐसी क्या अलग बात है जो मेरे साथ हो जाएगा और दूसरों के साथ नहीं होता, तो मुझे वो क्लैरिटी बहुत थी.
And I think that's so important because it's a risk at the end of the day that you're taking, right? So वो clarity होना बहुत important है, right? You know, you did films in the south and then eventually you came to Mumbai. कुछ culture difference लगा at that point of time?
Yeah, वो तो that was much later. I was in Mumbai before. Yariyan was before I went to the south, na? So I shot Yariyan before. ये मैं हर इंटरव्यू में बोल चुकी हूँ. I shot Yariyan before I shot for my first film in Telugu. And वो release पहले हो गई थी, so then it just turned out. My base was Bombay at that point. My auditions were all Aram Nagar. And then वो release पहले हो गई थी 4 महीना पहले and became a sleeper hit, like a small film becoming a good hit. And before I knew, I'd signed like 2-3 films, and I used to stay in a hotel at that point. My house was in Bombay, but I used to be in Mumbai, and I used to be in hotels. And before I knew, then I got busy there. And then after 2 years, I decided, let me just shift to Hyderabad because I'm living here, literally. And then again, after 3-4 years, I moved back to Bombay when I just have a habit of saying Bombay. Moved back to Mumbai when De De Pyar De happened. Yari and De De Pyar De happened. Yeah.
You know, you did honors in a subject like mathematics, which is all about brain. But at the end of the day, the funny thing is that you were also very good in Ratta, because I heard that in all your South films, dialogues, etc. सब Ratta मार
Not all, पहले 2-3 उसके बाद language सीख ली थी.
But वो कितना difficult होता है, मतलब
नहीं होता है यार. No यार, it's not that difficult. It's like if you put it, when you start learning a language, even Spanish will feel very weird to us, right? Even French will feel difficult. Similarly, Telugu, I remember I started speaking Telugu fluently in about 2 years.
Yeah.
The first 2-3 films, 4 films is where I had to really cram up, and by the time I finished my 3rd, 4th film, I remember I largely would understand what everyone is saying. And then I started speaking. So after about 2 years, I was fluently speaking. In fact, I dubbed for a film also myself. Then I just realized that dubbing is little tougher than saying the language because your pronunciation has to land
Absolutely
right.
Perfect.
Yeah, I can have a little tongue roll difference, because it doesn't come naturally to me. But yeah, so I think it's a matter of putting your mind to it.
Do you remember your first ever moment of stardom where you were out and people started recognizing you?
What is
that memory?
So I had gone to, I always forget which town it was. There was one of the small towns, Kurnool or Vijayawada or Tirupati, somewhere, okay, for a sari shop opening. And I think 3 films had released by then. So this is the first time I went there, and there was a lot of crowd. There was traffic jam for a kilometer before the store. So I was panicking that my car can't go through, I'm going to be late. Right? Like I'm that person.
And you are punctual by nature.
I start getting palpitations that I'm late. So I somehow managed to reach there, and I did that show, and then I think have a video of that that's somewhere on YouTube. There are thousands of people around the store, okay, and I was on the 2nd floor just seeing all of that. And I remember when I was exiting, people started screaming my name. Okay, and I heard like Rakul madam, Rakul Nandi, all of that is going on. So I just felt this rush of happiness in my heart, and I sat in the car because there was too much security. I called my mom as soon as I sat in the car, and I was like, Mama, they recognize me. And I think for me, that was the first time I realized that people know your name, and I can't explain that feeling. I'll always be I'm very grateful for that. I can't explain or coin words correctly to explain that feeling.
After that moment, that first moment of stardom, what did your parents tell you at that point?
Nothing.
Do you remember?
Nothing.
Bindas,
Very nice. Very nice. So nice. Very good. God bless you. That's it. See, my parents are not somebody, and I'm so great. I'm thankful for that. They don't get affected by what I'm doing. They still can just say, you don't understand. till I got married, I used to be like, they could just say, pack your bags and come back
Yeah.
if I do something wrong.
Yeah.
So they are very unaffected. They're always the kind of people who will point out my weaknesses, who will push me in the right direction, who are my bouncing boards, my support. I can talk to them about anything. Even now, if there's a script I'm reading, sometimes you don't get judgment. I discuss it with my parents. I'm like, what do you think? So they're very supportive, but they're the kinds that are not influenced by it.
But I think the identity in a great way must have changed, and they must be so proud of it. Like for a long period of time, we are someone's daughter or we
Correct.
are someone's son. But now they must be so happy, because people call them as Rakul
Of course
Preet
they
Singh
get,
ki mummy
of
and
course
Rakul
they get
Preet
very, very proud. Yeah, I mean, I think that's for them to answer. But I know that they get very proud. My dad gets all India every day. The articles, news, online, whatever.
Yeah.
Every day at the end of the day, he'll send today. This all came in India.
Oh.
Today all. He knows. He's
Everything.
like sabse tez. So he gets like whatever's been covered in the day somewhere, and then he'll read those articles and he'll give a thumbs up if I've spoken well. If I've messed up somewhere, he'll say, why don't you think before you speak? You were very fast.
Yeah.
I think, maintain that poise, or not poise, like think and articulate right. So they are still like, their little child is, get very happy with an article even today, and I'm like, it's okay, Papa, like, relax.
Uncle, ये वाला podcast भी please जरूर देखना, whatever links that come out of here.
100%. वो कुछ नहीं छोड़ते.
That's the typical parent thing, love, I would say. एक tag आपको मिला है, which people say and which people give you with a lot of love, which is called Queen of Masala Movies, right? How do you look at these kind of tags? Because do you
I also just got to know about this tag. I think when we were, just as in the last couple of months, seeing in videos and being tagged. Yeah, everything is very gratifying. Even if somebody says, what a sweet smile, it's gratifying. How down to earth, it's gratifying. We loved her work, it's gratifying. Something like this. But I don't take anything too seriously to my head. I feel this will continue and the love will continue if I continue to deliver. And that's my endeavor. I'm very happy, I'm very grateful, I love everybody, but I have to for my focus is I have to keep working hard and I have to remain the same person to be able to, continue receiving this love. I have to live up to this love. Yeah.
De De Pyar De, when it released, I was there. Any updates that you would like to share on De De Pyar De 2?
Well, part 2 is going to come this year, and all I can say, I can't speak much, but all I can say with full conviction is that it's going to be double dhamaka.
Yeah.
It's a role of a lifetime, and I'm very kicked about it. To get an opportunity to work with Ajay sir, Maddie sir, everyone, my director Anshul loves her. Everyone has really worked towards this film, and I think it's going to be super fun.
आपके और जैकी सर के बीच में ज्यादा काम कौन रहता है in stressful situations? Who's like the calming source for the other?
In general, nature-wise, I think Jackie is calmer. I'm a little more hyper. I think he's in general calmed me down a little. होता है ना कि pacifier.
Yeah.
So he's somebody who can really make you laugh in any stressful situation, any tough situation, and you'll just laugh, and you're like, yeah, matlab, like that. But I think in any relationship, you sometimes knowingly, unknowingly take turns. It's sometimes if he's stressed, and then I sort of calm him down, and sometimes if I'm stressed, he calms me down. But I think both of us have this where we understand one another's mind space. If one person is stressed and the other person is like, I'm also stressed, why are you talking about your stress? तो फिर लड़ाई होती है.
Right.
And you have to pick, whose stress is bigger.
Actually, that's the
that's the way relationships work. Like I feel like you have to just sense. I think he needs me more right now, so I'll be calmer. And if I need him, he'll be calmer. But in general, as a person, he's way more calmer.
In terms of decision making, अगर मैं बोलूँ, where say it can be a holiday destination choice or something as simple as that, ज़्यादा किसका चलता है, yours or?
चलता की बात नहीं है, उसको effort ही नहीं लेना है. वो बोलते हैं बेबी तुम डिसाइड कर लो जिधर जाना है,
मैं पहुंच जाऊंगा बस
हाँ
तुम्हारे
नहीं
साथ।
हम चलेंगे ना, whatever you want to do. So sometimes I'm like no, but even what I want to do I have to think now. I have to think, I have to plan, then it has to be good, then I'm the kind of person who wants it to be good, so I have to create an
She's also
itinerary.
laughing because she knows that it's quite similar.
So for me, I'm like, no, you will decide the next trip. You will tell me wherever, don't even tell me where we're going, but you will plan the next trip.
Yeah.
So we have that joke. I'm like, तुम मुझे पुणे ले जाओ यार सरप्राइज पे, पर तुम कहीं ले मतलब you know
Yeah,
plan it
कुछ तो करो
yourself.
वहाँ से।
Don't नहीं करो, he does, of course he does, but I'm like plan the itinerary, you know, surprise me, because for him it's like wherever you want to go. And of course we discuss, you know, it's like I'll pick 2-3 options and he like, okay, let's do this. But then the designing itinerary is with me,
Designing itineraries with
which
you.
I don't really like. I like, but I don't like.
You know, on a movie set or on any project set where you're working together, कभी ऐसा हुआ है without taking names where जो energy होता है which you exchange with your co-actors etc. that energy has not been very positive, but because you're a professional you have to work through it and you have to do your job. कभी ऐसा experience हुआ है?
No, no, luckily not with me. And I will tell you, I'm a very strong believer of you get the energy that you give out. And I'm not saying that, you know, now there'll be a lot of people who will say aisa thodi hota hai. There are some people who misbehave. Yes, there are. But I've been blessed that I've not met anybody. I think I come across also very stern.
Yeah, and in fact I heard you
I
call
don't-
yourself a gundi and all that.
I don't call my friends call me a gundi and my, you know, like I don't know, that's what they think, but I'm lucky I'm
नहीं, वही
I'm
तो
just
that's
very
a surprise.
I'm just very I'm not
No nonsense.
frivolous. I'm very no nonsense, you know. So I think you give that vibe, and I don't seek anything from any other person besides work at that moment. You know, like okay, if you're doing a scene, you do a scene, you go back and sit down and do your own thing. So I've had a very good experience with everybody, and I think I've made some great friends in this journey who, whether I'm working, not working, will still be people that I know I can call, and you know, they'll be happy for my success. So yeah,
आपके ज्यादा दोस्त इंडस्ट्री के हैं, इंडस्ट्री के बाहर?
industry के बाहर.
इंडस्ट्री के बाहर स्पेसिफिकली एक चीज जो होता है कि समटाइम्स विद सक्सेस विद वर्क जो शायद दोस्तों को हम टाइम पहले देते थे वो शायद उतना नहीं दे पाते
नहीं, ऐसा
इवेंचुअली.
नहीं होता है.
सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कि कभी कभी ड्यू टू दैट यू नो नॉट बीइंग इन टच कुछ दोस्ती एंड कनेक्शन छूट जाता है. हैव यू एवर एक्सपीरियंस दैट इन योर लाइफ वेयर मे बी योर फ्रेंडशिप इज लॉस्ट बिकॉज़ ऑफ दैट?
No. I give a lot of importance to friendship. I feel like friends are people that you choose. You know, I've said this before also. You're born into a family. You're given the relatives that you have, but you make this chosen family. Your friends are your chosen family.
So true.
And I feel that for me, giving time to my friends is as important as giving time to myself, because that's also for me a space where I forget the stress. Not stress, where I just laugh like, you know, I can roll on the floor and nobody's going to judge me. Right? I can eat like a pig and nobody's going to judge me, right?
Yeah.
So I can be my basic self, and I think for me that unwinding is very, very important with my friends. And not just now, the 5 friends that I was mentioning about, just recently last month, 3 of us did a sleepover here in my house because they were here from the US.
Yeah.
So, and this is a friendship of more than half our life. I mean, we were 18 when we became friends. So yeah, almost 10 साल से ऊपर की 12-13 साल की दोस्ती है, you know. So I feel आप सब अलग अलग है. Everyone's married, they have kids. I'm in a different city. Somebody's in the US. But if you really want to and value those people in your life, you can always find time. And I'll tell you what, जो सच्ची दोस्त होते हैं ना, सच्चे दोस्त, you don't need to call them every day.
So true.
I
समझते हो
don't-
लोग.
आपकी friendship ऐसी होती है, you meet after 6 months also, you'll still start from where you left.
हाँ, correct.
You know, my group in Bombay, we don't talk on the phone, but we meet every 10 days. You know, 1 week, 10 days, we'll chill, we'll do a lunch, we'll do some laughter, we'll watch something, we'll go for a movie. But that doesn't mean the other 10 days we are, you know, constantly talking to one another. It doesn't happen like that. And I think that maturity is friendship.
According to you, what is the best way to define the word aura for a star?
I think aura is nothing but energy. right? The energy that you walk into a room with. Now, when it's a star, there's a lot more attached because people are also seeking that energy in that actor ki, you know, unka aura aisa hai, you know, when Shah Rukh sir walks in or when Amit ji walks in. But aura is attached to any person that walks in. There could be a pleasant person and there could be an absolutely unpleasant person who doesn't have a good energy
That's
about
negative
themselves,
aura.
that negative aura, or just very like not pleasant
so
about
pleasing.
them. Yeah. So I feel whether you're a star, not a star, aura is that energy that you carry with yourself.
Now तो you're experienced, touchwood, you're doing well, you'll do hopefully even better. But कभी ऐसा हुआ है where because you come from that rooted system कि ज्यादा दिखावा करने का जरूरत नहीं है, but आपको आपके आसपास के लोगों ने आपको बोला कि Rakul, you're this star right now, you know, you got to do this, you got to do that, you got to show this. अपने आसपास हवा बनाने के लिए कभी कभी होता है ना, like you know, we show a lot more than what we actually are. कभी आपको ऐसा एडवाइस किया गया कभी?
हाँ, बोला गया है एक दो बार कुछ लोगों ने, यार फ्री एडवाइसेस बहुत मिलते हैं एंड आई फील यू शुड लिसन टू एवरीबॉडी रिस्पेक्टफुली, बट
सुनो सबकी, करो
खुद की एंड यूज योर ओन माइंड. यू नो, अगर दिखावे से लोगों को फिल्में मिलती, yes, presenting yourself the right way is one thing.
That's different,
Show off
yeah.
is another thing. You know, I don't think showing off can actually lead to, you know, it's got no relation with where your choreograph is going. So I come from a very normal system of when I'm working, I will be presentable, I will look my best, whether it's events, shoots, whatever, professional. And when I'm at home, I'm going to be that girl who wants to roam around in absolutely no makeup, chill, not worry about what the world is thinking about me, because you cannot make everyone happy. You cannot. I mean, if I go on my social media or any actor goes on their social media, वो शाहरुख सर की मैं एक इंटरव्यू देख रही थी जिसमें वो बोलते हैं कि यार कैप्स लॉक में गाली मत दो. देखिए आपने इंटरव्यू, बोलते हैं गालियों को तो ढंग से स्पेलिंग लिखो, मुझे बुरा लग रहा है गालियों के लिए. तो वो है. अब अगर आप उस रेस में लग जाओगे कि मुझे सबको खुश करना है, मुझे ये दिखावा करना है, टू लुक परफेक्ट, you will lose sensibility of who you are. So many people go into depression, so many people go into, you know, these are just things that add stress. So I want to take away all that stress.
But कभी वो dark phase जिंदगी में महसूस किया है where you literally had to pull yourself out of that zone
नहीं,
अपने
मैं गई
motivation
नहीं
से,
कभी.
तो which is a good thing. आप कभी जाओगे
मैं
मत.
गई नहीं, मुझे पड़ी नहीं. एफर्ट है यार, इतना एफर्ट नहीं मारना है. एफर्ट मारना है जब मैं 9 to 9 शूट कर रही हूँ, उसके बाद मुझे दिखावा का एफर्ट नहीं मारना है. You know, I am and it's not, and I'm not saying this with overconfidence. I'm just saying this that it's the person I choose to be. I like to have a good night's sleep. You know, I want to be that basic.
So you're not too much of a industry party person as well.
No, I go, you know, for whatever little time, but you will always see me go very early. Generally, in the first 10 people who reach there, I would be there. And then come out very late, even come out very early, even before the party really starts. Because again, it's a task, and I don't drink. So, wo Jackie and I don't drink. So, what will we do beyond the point? So
Actually, I
give your
I
greetings.
relate with that because even I don't drink. So, like, करे भी क्या? थोड़ा बहुत नाच वाच के
Yeah,
chill
थोड़ा
करके फिर
सा
आ
chill
जाते हैं.
करके सबको hello hi बोल के, and both of us, or maximum we'll eat, and then both of us are healthy, so we'll be like ज़्यादा देर रुकेंगे तो फिर ज़्यादा खा लेंगे, चलो घर चले जाते हैं. So you know, so it's that. Yeah.
We're slowly coming to the fag end of the conversation. I want to understand from your end any life-changing advice that you have received, which you have followed, and वो follow करके genuinely आपको वो जो फल होता है वो उस चीज का आपको मिला, ऐसा कुछ है?
Yeah, I don't know life-changing, but I'll just tell you some advices that always stayed with me, which came from my parents, which we initially spoke about, you know, whether it's discipline, whether it's honoring your word, whether it is hard work, perseverance. And my dad said one thing. He said, you know, the world will talk shit. As long as you know what you're doing right, and you know that your parents are not going to be let down by your actions, do it. And I think for me, that's a Bible. You know, it takes a lot. I understand it takes a lot for parents to leave their young daughter at the age of 19, 20 and say, okay, go to Bombay, live your dream, we are supporting you. My mom used to travel with me wherever she could, you know, especially outdoors because she was scared initially.
Yes.
but they always had that faith in me. And so people who know me, they know I'm a very righteous person. I can be righteous to the extent that if a person I don't know, I feel is right, but my best friend here is wrong,
आप उनके साथ नहीं
I will not be able to justify, my friend or anybody I'm related to in that way. So sometimes it's difficult, but I am that person, and that comes from, because you have to sleep with your conscience also. And all this comes from the advice that my dad had given, make the right choices. So sometimes your choices go wrong, right? That's the result that goes right, wrong. But I know that I've tried to live up to that, and I think that's something that even today, after so many years of being in the industry, where people say that you change, you get affected, I can very proudly say, kuch ho na ho, I've not changed. I believe I've not. And that comes from that advice of my parents.
But ये जो you mentioned that अगर my dost is wrong but some outsider is right, I will take the stand. इस सब ये this straightforward reason की वजह से I think straightforward people are the ones who lose.
Libra ना, वो तुला ही करते रहते हैं पूरा time. That even Jackie knows that. वो कभी वो बोल रहे बेबी इस मामले में तो
नहीं मत करो प्लीज. बट you mentioned this very interesting point and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा वो देश सुन के कि a relationship is not about I think finding a better half. You're already complete. It's just about doing things better together.
Correct.
It's not that कि आप as an individual कुछ कम हो, right?
Correct.
He also came from the same school of thought.
Both of us came from the same school of thought.
So that was the best reason for the bonding.
That was the first dinner conversation. The first dinner date that we had was this conversation that like for me, I was single. I was not rushing into a relationship, neither was he in that space. And I was also at that point where I was like, I don't want a casual relationship. So we chatted, we ate dinner, and I said, Dick, if you are in a space of casual, then let's just be friends. Let's not do this we'd meet 10 times and we're like, oh, I'm not looking at anything serious. Let's not do that. And I'm not saying this is going to end up serious, but are you in that phase emotionally, mentally in your life, right? You're in that mind space where you're like, okay, now whoever I find, I hope that it
turns out to be
the eventual thing. So we were both in that headspace, and we were both also not very young, right? We're not like 20, 21 ki bachpana hai. We were like, our own people, we're individuals. So we came with that strong sense of individuality, where both of us were very sure that we're not sucking out energy from one another. We will only add if we can. Yeah.
Last question, and please do not be modest about it at all. You've worked very hard, you've got the results for yourself. What do you think is that special USP of Rakul Preet Singh, which really, really makes her a force to reckon with anywhere she goes? Today she's in India, tomorrow she might be in Hollywood as well. There's no end to manifestation. What is that one thing that you really consider your USP, which you feel is your biggest strength?
I think everyone has enough strengths. I think what I can vouch for is that I'm a very hardworking person. So I know that I'm not saying I'm the most talented out there, I'm the prettiest out there. There are many people who'd be prettier than me, many people who'd be possibly more talented than me, but I know that I will work harder than anybody else. And I think that's what has gotten me so far, and that is what will take me.
You must be resonating with the Shah Rukh sir line कि सक्सेसफुल बनने के पहले तो सब लोग मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन सक्सेसफुल बनने के बाद मेरे जितना मेहनत कोई नहीं कर सकता. That is what Shah Rukh sir had said.
Oh really?
Yeah. So I think this is a.
But that goes for everyone, any profession. People think job मिल गई तो set है. वहाँ से शुरुआत होती है. पहली फिल्म मिलने से शुरुआत नहीं होती. पहली फिल्म के बाद consistently फिल्में करना. That's the more tiring part.
It's like we're all struggling just at different levels.
Just at different levels.
Thank you so much, Rakul, for doing this with me, and I can only express gratitude. Thank you so much. दिल से प्यार दो, please. हर एक मूवी में प्यार दो. आप लोग ने recent movies भी देखा है. I think मेरे husband की भी was quite entertaining. गाने में प्यार दिया. It was all around in the reels as well. ये podcast के भी अगर moments आपको अच्छे लगे, please reels में divide करो, बांटो, share among your friends. She has a stellar lineup of movies coming forward as well, which you will eventually get to see going forward. And जाते जाते मैं आपने इतने प्यार से हमको घर पे बुलाया, so we got a special gift hamper as well. For you, can I please have that gift hamper? This is from my partner fashion label for you,
Oh, so
and I
sweet.
hope
Thank
you like
you.
it as an ethnic kurti. And
So sweet.
just
Thank
wanted to
you.
honor your efforts for having me and
Thank
doing
you.
this with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only Rakul Preet Singh. See you all very soon with another interesting episode. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.